This thing here is the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Everybody keeps talking about Pro and Ultra camera phones, but OPPO is the first one to release not one, but two 200 megapixel cameras. And also, this is the first Ultra from OPPO that is global. And also, they put back the 10x Optical zoom. We use so much and like it from the S23 Ultra. Alright, you're following me? Not one, but two 200 megapixel cameras, 10x Optical zoom. And this is the first ever OPPO Find X9 Ultra global release. I can't wait, but just unbox this. And then you know the usual process. I'm gonna stick my SIM card, use this to that, and then also compare it with Xiaomi 17 Ultra and probably S26 Ultra, and who knows, maybe also with the Vivo. This year is quite interesting because Samsung, they're doing the same thing, right? S26 Ultra, some new things, pretty much the same. Then we have Xiaomi 17 Ultra, who put continuous zoom, but it's not new, right? New for Xiaomi, but we had that in Sony. And then we had the Vivo, right? Vivo are very good and they're doing the same thing, and it's very boring now, you know, same boring design. And then we have OPPO, who finally brought back a 10x optical zoom camera and a 200 megapixel 3x camera. All right, let's come and unbox. So this is the Find X9 Ultra OPPO Hasselblad. And your boy here got 16G 512 storage. I bought this phone from Trading Genshin, so there's gonna be a link down below if you wanna buy the same from Trading Genshin. It's gonna be an affiliate link. And now let's continue. Please open it carefully. And here again. And now, what the heck? They definitely changed the box. That's very cool. OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Alright, OPPO Hasselblad. What the heck? This is the phone loan, something in Chinese. I don't know what this thing is. And what do we have here? This is the power brick 100 watts SuperVOOC charging. USB-A, we got a cable inside. There is also a SIM card pin ejector. Another small black box. What the heck here? Some more stuff in China, and here OPPO Watch, OPPO Pad, and this is the case. All right, let's first reveal the, oh, you see, dual tone, right? That feels nice, but forget about this stuff. Let me move over here because this is really like a huge phone. This is it, guys. This looks pretty stunning. We have OPPO, we have Hasselblad here. Take a look at this camera ring. Now this is a huge camera ring, right? Honestly, probably as huge as the one on the Vivo. I can definitely hold a whole phone like this, but somehow it doesn't really feel that annoying. Take a look at this. The flash is outside, and here we have all the cameras on that side. We have, I guess, this is the action button. Oh, shit. Almost. On this side I got the power button, I got the volume rocker, and what the heck is this? Your friend from Apple, the camera control. All right, let's try to start this gorgeous phone. Screen protector applied, by the way. Sits very nice in my hand. You know, I have big hands. This is definitely a man-sized phone. Okay, of course, if you're a woman, you can use that as well. I'm just joking here. Find X. Front camera here. All the corners nice and shining, the microphone, the speakers, guys, here, USB-C ports, speakers, microphone. This phone looks really exquisite. Take a look at this Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, half a terabyte of storage, 7050 mAh of a silicon carbon battery, 16GB of RAM, you know? This is a phone that doesn't joke around. With so much air right now and 16G, yeah, that's not what you get. But let's speak about the cameras. Front camera, 50 megapixel. The rear camera, guys, 250, and yeah. So we're counting, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras on the back, because there is this small camera that is responsible for the accurate white balance. So this phone has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras. The main camera here, 200 megapixel, Sony LIT 901, 1/1.12 inches, and then a 200 megapixel 3x periscope. I think with 5 individual elements. You follow me? This means that the light is going to travel 5 times until it reaches the sensor. 3x, 200 megapixel, and then at the end 50 megapixel 10x camera. Now I follow some serious people, they tested it and they say, hey, we're happy that OPPO brought back the 10x optical zoom back. It's optical, it's not lossless, you know, it's not like cropping. it is the real deal. It should be the real deal, and I'm gonna make sure to test it and share my feedback. The display on this phone, 144 Hz, and this is not a gaming phone. This thing here, as you can see it, it's a goddamn camera phone, but they included 144 Hz refresh rate, which makes this even more appealing to a person like me. Take a look at this phone. It is really beautiful. Now, my opinion about the vegan leather is, you know, I prefer when it's leather or wood, let's say, to be the real thing. I don't complain, right? It's probably not my thing. Honestly, it still looks good, and this whole dual tone finish is kind of good. I like the edges. They have this matte finish here, definitely not picking up any of my fingerprints. I'm gonna start the camera for the first time. Welcome camera, agree and continue. Guys, this phone is all about the camera, all right? So I'm gonna make sure to really test this thoroughly. Wow, what the heck? Okay, now giving me the tour. So I'm just gonna do one snippet just for you, all right? Let's do 0.6, 1, let's do 2, let's do 3x, 200 megapixel 3x, all right? Let's do 6x, and for the very first time since the S23 Ultra, let's do 10x optical zoom. And for the first time since the S23 Ultra, 10x optical zoom. I mean, can you point at this person there? Like, this guy's just really far away, and I can do 10x, and it looks pretty amazing. And I can try to do like 20x. Let's try to do 20x, and I'm gonna also do like 30x. All the dogs are playing, you know. Let's see, this is gonna be a very good first test. Do we gonna get all the dogs playing nice, or are we just gonna have some fur around? All right, let's see. 30x, this is 30x. I can tell you, that ain't that bad. Now, there is some kind of like a hollow effect and some definitely glowing around the arms, but you know, there is the master mode. What about the dogs? Okay, yeah. All right, I'm not so much impressed right now. You can see definitely some AI things going on here. You know what I'm gonna do, by the way? Because you know, the stock camera mode, this does use AI, but when I go to the master mode, in the master mode, I should be able to do some photos without a lot of processing. So let's see how this is gonna turn out. I'm gonna snap some 10x and, oh, I see. Okay, we have a limitation up to 20x here, but will I get a good 20x? Oh, definitely. I think it's definitely better. Okay, I'm not sure. I need to check, but definitely not the worst photo that I've seen from 20x. Definitely not the best pictures I've seen yet. I need more time, but also not so bad. I've just started to test the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. And if you want to follow my path, putting this on my review table for my initial impressions, for all my tests, connectivity, GPS, networks, camera, performance, you know, maybe I'm gonna put it in the sea, maybe I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Anyway, I have plans for this phone. If you want to be part of this, yeah, sub for the channel. Stay safe.